Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie and today I'm gonna show you guys how I organize my makeup. So I've been wanting to do this video for a long time. Well, not this exactly, but I wanted to show like what's in my makeup collection video. But I wanted to do a video that has more value. I personally love videos that teach me a lot of things. So I thought that maybe instead of just showing my makeup, I'm gonna teach you guys how to keep it clean and organized as well. So I have 5 very easy tips on how to keep things clean, neat, and organized. So if you guys are into cleaning videos and you want to see what's in my makeup collection as well, then just keep on watching. So the first step that I have for you guys is to invest in good containers. They honestly don't have to be expensive, but you have to buy at least something that you like genuinely like. Because when I started, I wanted to buy just really cheap ones, so bumili ako ng basket na puti. So this was the first basket that I bought just to get started on the organizing thing. Kaya lang, over time, I didn't really like it. It's just not cute at all. So I decided to invest in something that I would really like to look at for a long time. So I decided to buy this one. This is actually a very good container because one tray actually has like 4 compartments. So in every compartment, I keep different items, which I will show you guys later. And let's be real, it's just more classy when it's clear glass. So that's why I decided to go ahead and buy it, even though it's a little bit more expensive. But if you guys are patient and you have a lot of time to like go around and check some stuff out, then I highly recommend that you guys go to Daiso or any Japanese home store because they sell these kinds of bins for only 88 pesos. I know it's easy to say na parang, ay, lalagyan lang yan, di ko na naman makikita. I mean, it's just there for organizing. It's not really like the aesthetic. But trust me, it is an aesthetic and it will make you feel so good that every time you open your makeup collection, nakikita mo na maganda yung container ng makeup mo. Tip number 2, always throw out what's expired. I honestly think that we have to accept the fact that a lot of our makeup products that we love expires. It's really bad to use expired products. If you guys haven't seen my video on that, I did do like a PSA not to use expired makeup or to always throw out your makeup. Regularly check the label of your makeup because it has really harmful effects on your skin. And please don't think twice about throwing them away. Just do it. The main reason why that product expired in the first place is because you forgot about it. You haven't been using it that much. So if that's the case, what makes you think that you will still use it? It's time to let it go. Tip number 3, like plus like. Always make sure to group things according to category. It really depends kung anong category ang gusto mong gamitin. But for me, I like to classify products by the type. So liquid, cream, powder, or oil-based. So in one drawer, I have all my powder-based products together. It doesn't matter if it's a bronzer, a highlighter, a powder, or an eye palette, or a blush. As long as it's powder-based, I will keep it there. The same goes with some of the products sa acrylic containers ko. So I have my lip and cheek tints together, I have my brow products together, I have my eyeliners together, and so on and so forth. Organizing them together just helps you pick out what makeup you want for the day, so it's a lot quicker, less stress. You don't necessarily have to follow the same classification of makeup that I use, just find what works for you. Tip number 4 is a lifesaver, and that is to always separate what you use 100% of the time. Everybody has their go-to products or favorite products, and I always keep them in my makeup kit. So I always keep them separate so that if I ever need to touch up throughout the day, hindi na ako kukuha ng isa-isa pa. I just get that and that's it. And the last tip I have for you guys, which is tip number 5, is to clean out your drawer at least twice a year. I know this is hard for some people, but the reason why I said twice a year is because some makeup products only last as long as 6 months. So half and half the year, that should be enough time to actually clean out. And it's not going to be a lot of work, seeing as there are only certain products that expire in that time frame, like eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, mascara, cream eyeliner, I think also expires like 6 months. So it's gonna be very easy to clean it out anyway. So that is it for today's video. I hope I helped you guys out in some way. If you guys enjoyed it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up because that will really help me. I hope that we can achieve 10,000 subscribers really soon. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!